Ever wondered what you can do with reclaimed wood? The possibilities are endless. Welcome to the fascinating world of reclaimed wood creations. Today we're exploring the boundless opportunities that lie within those discarded wooden planks. From home decor to garden embellishments, reclaimed wood can be transformed into a myriad of beautiful, functional items. In this journey, we'll guide you through the creation of a select few items, showcasing the sheer versatility of this material. Imagine handcrafted coasters, rustic candle holders, charming holiday decorations, and quaint farmhouse decor, all made from reclaimed wood. But this isn't just about crafting. It's about embracing the principles of recycling and reusing, about giving a second life to materials that would otherwise be forgotten. It's a testament to the magic of creativity and the impact we can make when we choose to repurpose. Ready to unlock your creativity and transform reclaimed wood into something special? Stay tuned. Home is where the heart is, and what better way to show it than with homemade decor? Today, we're going to dive into the world of reclaimed wood, transforming it into two beautiful pieces of home decor, a rustic picture frame and a wall-mounted key holder. Let's start with the rustic picture frame. The beauty of this project lies in the imperfections of the wood. So, look for pieces that have character, perhaps some old barnwood or weathered planks from a forgotten fence. Once you've gathered your materials, it's time to cut the wood to size. Remember, the charm of this frame is in its rustic look, so don't stress about getting perfectly straight cuts. Next, let's talk paint. Choosing a color is entirely up to you. However, muted earth tones or pastels can enhance that vintage, rustic feel we're going for. Once you've selected your color, paint your pieces and let them dry. After that, it's all about assembly. A bit of wood glue, some patience, and voila! You've got yourself a rustic picture frame. Now, onto our wall-mounted key holder. Again, we're using reclaimed wood. This time, though, we're looking for a thicker piece, something sturdy enough to hold a set of keys. Cut your wood to the desired length, and then it's time for some creativity. Paint your piece a solid color, or go for a distressed look by lightly sanding after painting. The final step is adding hooks for the keys. You can find these at any hardware store. Space them evenly along the length of the wood and secure them with screws. Choosing to create with reclaimed wood not only adds a unique touch to your home, but also allows you to repurpose materials that might otherwise be discarded. The result is a charming, rustic addition to your home decor that's as kind to the earth as it is pleasing to the eye. And voila! You've just created a charming, rustic addition to your home decor. Looking to add a touch of rustic charm to your farmhouse? Look no further. In the heart of every piece of reclaimed wood lies a story waiting to be told. And today, we'll bring that story to life through farmhouse decor. Let's start with a farmhouse-style sign. Harvest a piece of reclaimed wood that speaks to you. Remember, every nick, scratch, and color variation will contribute to your piece's unique character. To prepare our canvas, we'll need to do some sanding. This step is crucial to remove any rough edges and create a smooth surface for our paint to adhere to. Start with a coarse grit sandpaper and work your way to a fine grit for that perfect smooth finish. But don't sand away all the imperfections. They're part of the charm. Now let's talk about our message. The beauty of creating your own sign is that it can say whatever you want it to. Maybe it's a timeless quote, your family name, or a simple welcome message. The key here is to choose a font that complements the rustic farmhouse vibe. Think classic, simple, and easy to read. You can use stencils or freehand the design, depending on your comfort level. Next comes the paint. Opt for a paint that contrasts with the wood's natural color to make your message pop. Apply the paint with a small brush, taking your time to ensure the lines are clean and crisp. Allow it to dry completely before moving on. Now, let's move on to a farmhouse-style utensil holder. It's as easy as gluing 4 pieces of wood together to form a box, and then adding a 5th piece as the base. Sand it down, paint it, and voila! You've got a rustic holder that's functional and stylish. Remember, the goal here is not perfection, but character. So let the wood's natural beauty shine through, and each piece will be uniquely yours. There you have it, your very own farmhouse-style decor items made with love and recycled materials. Add a personal touch to your holiday decorations this year with reclaimed wood. There's nothing quite like crafting your own festive trimmings, especially when you're giving new life to old materials. Let's dive right into creating a Christmas tree ornament and a holiday-themed candle holder. First up, let's fashion a Christmas tree ornament. Start with a small piece of reclaimed wood. Think a small square or a small rectangle. Using a fine paintbrush and your choice of eco-friendly paint, sketch out a simple holiday motif. This could be a snowflake, a Christmas tree, or even a jolly Santa Claus. Allow your creativity to flow as you paint. Once the paint is dry, drill a small hole at the top of your ornament, thread through some twine or ribbon, and voila, you've got a bespoke Christmas tree ornament. Now, onto the holiday-themed candle holder. Begin with a larger piece of wood, perhaps an old plank or a chunky beam. Make sure it's wide enough to safely house a candle. Using a hole saw attached to a drill, carve out a hole the size of your candle. Remember, safety is paramount when using power tools, so ensure you're wearing protective gear and working in a well-lit, stable environment. Once the hole is cut, sand down the inside and the edges for a smooth finish. Decorate the holder as you please. You could paint on some holly or wrap it in a festive ribbon. Add a candle and you've got a rustic holiday candle holder. So, there you have it. 2 holiday decorations, each crafted with love and care from reclaimed wood. Not only are they unique and personal, but they're also a nod to sustainability, breathing new life into old wood. With a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of patience, you've managed to create decorations that will add warmth and charm to your holiday celebrations. And just like that, you've made unique, eco-friendly holiday decorations. Why not bring your creativity outdoors and enhance your garden with DIY reclaimed wood decor? As we step outdoors, let's breathe new life into our gardens with unique, handmade creations. Today, we'll explore the creation of a charming birdhouse and a rustic plant stand, both crafted from reclaimed wood. First up, the birdhouse. Begin with a piece of reclaimed wood roughly 12 inches long, 6 inches wide, and 1 inch thick. This will form the base of your birdhouse. For the roof, you'll need 2 pieces, each about 7 inches long and 6 inches wide. Assemble the pieces together using wood glue and let it dry. Now for the entrance, drill a hole in the front of the birdhouse. Finish off with a coat of weather-resistant paint to give your birdhouse a dash of color and extra protection. This birdhouse not only adds aesthetic appeal to your garden, but also invites birds, enhancing the local biodiversity. Moving on to our next project, the plant stand. For this, you'll need 4 pieces of reclaimed wood, each about 24 inches long and 2 inches wide. For the legs, and 5 pieces, each about 30 inches long and 3 inches wide, for the top. Fix the top pieces together side by side using wood glue and secure with clamps until dry. Attach the legs to the corners of the top to form your stand. Finish it off with a touch of paint or a natural wood stain. This plant stand can host a variety of your favorite flora, adding a vertical dimension to your garden space. Creating decor from reclaimed wood not only gives a second life to materials otherwise destined for the landfill, but also adds a unique, personal touch to your garden. And there's something incredibly satisfying about creating something with your own 2 hands, isn't there? Your garden is now adorned with your own handmade, sustainable decor. As you can see, reclaimed wood holds a world of possibilities for DIY projects. It's been a journey exploring the 20+ ways to transform this versatile material into unique pieces of home decor, farmhouse accents, holiday decorations, and garden enhancements. We've seen how a touch of paint, a dab of glue, and a sprinkle of creativity can breathe new life into discarded wood. We've marveled at the rustic charm of coasters and candle holders, the festive spirit of holiday ornaments, and the quaint allure of garden decor, all fashioned from reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood isn't just about sustainability, though that is a significant advantage. It's about the joy of crafting, the satisfaction of creating something beautiful and functional from what was once considered waste. So next time you come across some reclaimed wood, remember all the wonderful items you can create. Until then, keep crafting and stay green.